7 class division number 5. Starters still away from the button. Anytime now. Gates open. They're up and racing. Ding! Galing-galing! Draws for your lead. Moving up alongside Sound Value. Speed Bullet. Rushing up is Grand Fiesta. Sir Barbaro comes next. Then comes Show. And that's Sharp Cookie rather. And heading towards the last 600. We have Grand Fiesta now takes command by about 2 lengths. Sir Barbaro is in second as they head towards the last 450. Grand Fiesta this time by about 3 lengths followed by Sir Barbaro. Ding, galing-galing, sneaking in down on the inside and comes Sound Value, Speed Bullet. Yes sir, I'm yours and Nose West with the last 150 more to run. Grand Fiesta this time by about 4 lengths. Ding, galing-galing, moving up to take second. Sir Barbaro is on the outside with the last 75 meters more to run. It's all entry number 7, Grand Fiesta. Second, Ding, galing-galing, Sir Barbaro. Yes sir, I'm yours. And Sharp Cookie for your Pentapecta.